Entrepreneurs can be young, entrepreneurs can also be old. But TiE is a global organization, as you mentioned, 60 chapters. But the impact of TiE has been very, very high. But I feel that as we start looking at disruptive technologies, and as we look at the focus on growth in India, your impact can actually be even higher still. And ISB looks forward to continuing our relationship with TiE. This is the 7th event we're doing together, ISB TiE Connect. And this year we also have on board T-Health. And we meaning ISB were also involved in the birth of T-Health. And so what is happening out here in Hyderabad is we're getting in what I would, if I use my children's word, we're getting an awesome community on making things happen. And so we're delighted to be part of this network, and this network is growing. You all know about ISB, but not necessarily about ISB and innovation and entrepreneurship. Ever since we started in 2001, innovation and entrepreneurship has been a very, very central piece of our educational program. And what it really means is, students get to learn teamwork, they get to learn how to make risky decisions, but also how to get out of those risky decisions, because before too much damage is done, as they say, no risk, no gain. So that program is very much part of what we do. Over the last 15 years, we have about 7,600 alumni graduate from ISB, both largely from Hyderabad, but also from Mohali. Mohali is only 4 years old. And out of that 7,600, there are 400 of the alums who are involved with startups. That is one of the highest percentage that I know around the world. And it's very important to kind of recognize that, because when they do business school rankings, etc., they say, okay, what is your starting, what is your salary coming in, what's your salary going out, and they look at the increase in salary as an indication of how good the schools are. Well, frankly, ISB is very good. We're number 2 in the world with 142 increase in salary. But that's not what I'm talking about. What we are really proud of are these 400 people who are involved in startups. And there's also another group. These are people whose families were already in business, and that they have gone back into the families and have been able to scale that up. So they're entrepreneurs within entrepreneurs, if you will. And so I am now trying to work on a metric where, instead of looking at salaries of people going out, we are going to look at what is the number of jobs ISB alums have created, not only in India, but across the world. And my instinct tells me that it's going to be a good number, but we will come out, once we have our research done, we will make a special announcement on what they've been doing. I'd like to also emphasize that a lot of this work is actually being done through the Center for Innovation and Entrepreneurship. And Aruna Reddy, who's been doing all the hard work, she does the work and I get the glory. She's hiding there. And Aruna has done a lot of this work. But what we are trying to do is we're trying to bring together not only the entrepreneurs, we're trying to bring together insights. How do you manage risk? We bring in mentors. From TiE, we bring in business angels, etc. So the idea is really how to get an ecosystem going, because entrepreneurs on their own, startups on their own, are not going to make it.